In this video, I will show you how to buy MLB All-Star Game's concert ticket. Go to the Google search bar, search for MLB game tickets. Then you will see this URL from MLB.com. Click on buy ticket for MLB games today. Now in the top left corner, you will see these three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now among the menu bar, you will see tickets. Click on tickets. Then click on All-Star tickets. Now to buy concert tickets, you will have to buy Capital One All-Star Village tickets. So scroll down below until you find it. Here you can see Capital One All-Star Village single day tickets are available. You can choose the time and the date and buy the tickets. From here, choose the number of tickets. Click on done. Here you will see general admission selected. Click on this up arrow at the bottom of the screen. You can choose the category and simply click on buy 2 tickets. Put in the card details, then buy the tickets, and you will be able to buy the All-Star Games concert tickets. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.